he just said something along the lines of he doesn't want to do something. He said take that goddamn recording and shove it up your ass. He just said I'm better than you. That's clearly him reacting. He turned up that volume of that ring. I was trying to breathe and he turned up the volume. I was taking a deep breath and he wanted to rile me. He said something along the lines of be quiet. Yeah, he was committed to me having a nervous breakdown. He woke me up at 2 a.m. and yelled in my ear a bunch of times that he tried to say you're going to have a nervous breakdown. And he just kept saying things like that over and over again, using that technology, using that high-pitched whistle. I can hear him pretty loud and clear with the ear implant. It's going to take me getting an x-ray machine to detect it. I don't trust the hospital to do it. I don't think they're going to investigate right. I think they have a way of hiding it. It's going to take thorough investigation to get the implant out of the ear. So, yeah, it's just going to take nonstop commitment. And they said they're using like biohacking on people. So, it could be hard to tell where the implant ends and that begins, But there is an implant in my ear because those noises are coming from my ear. I'm sure if I had an x-ray I could detect it. I just wonder if they have a way of disposing of it if it truly gets caught. that could damage the ear. Um, I'm not really afraid of that. I just don't want to go to the hospital and get the exam, like get the X-ray or the MRI or whatever you do to detect these things for nothing, because they have a way of hiding it. Clearly, every time they speak, they turn up another high pitch to hide their voices. So I'm sure they have a way of, like I said, of hiding the implant. You know, yeah. But they just keep trying to throw me off. They just keep trying. They just tried to stop me from stuttering just now. They activated some kind of forceful thing in my ear that tried to stop me from speaking with oomph. They try that on me often, and sometimes I have to talk around it and speak with less oomph, which I think is what they want. You know, but yeah, they want to throw me off and make me stutter too. Um, they just tried to throw me off with another technique. Um, but yeah, hold on. Yeah, they keep waking me up systematically, ritualistically at 2 a.m., 3 a.m., trying to mess with me in the middle of the night. I insulted one of them, and he's been trying to attack me this way ever since. He's the most butthurt piece of shit. Most of, like, a handful of them are the most butthurt pieces of shit I've ever heard in my life. The level in which they get butthurt about things and get mad is just like their pettiness is just ridiculous. Like, if you heard them, you'd just laugh at them and you'd want them in the chair, because they're not fit to walk this earth. They are the scum. They are the worst scumbags on the planet. Um, but yeah, I might have to do another one of these videos because they uh, they back down every time I film a video. Like I said before, in previous videos, so I get peace when they back down. So it's good to make them, and then when they don't back down, they get caught in the video. So yeah, I, I might have to make another one of these. Hopefully, I could just relax for the rest of my evening.